Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Gimkit account. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser and search for www.gimkit.com and press enter. This will take you to the official page of Gimkit. Gimkit is known to be a classroom game show platform where students can compete by answering the questions using the electronic devices. Now to go ahead and sign up for Gimkit account, you can sign up with an existing Google account or you can also use a valid email address. Select if you're an educator or a student. Now in the next page, type in your first and last name. And also create a password that is at least of 6 characters, then click continue. And there you have successfully created a Gimkit account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.